With more than 40 years of combined expertise in mass spectrometry-based proteomics, a team of CSIR researchers is creating tools to detect acute kidney injuries before it's too late.
We are developing a proteomics-enabled diagnostic test for acute kidney injury. So proteomics is the study of the complete protein complement of an organism or system, and it's becoming a widely used tool in the field of precision medicine. So in comparison to genomics, where we are looking at what could occur, such as a person's predisposition to a disease, proteomics looks at what is currently happening, such as a person's response to treatment. So our lab specializes in applying proteomics analysis to relevant and unique cohorts to identify biomarkers for various diseases. One of the projects that we've been focusing on is the validation of protein biomarkers for acute kidney injury. Acute kidney injury, or AKI, manifests in approximately 10% of patients undergoing first-line antiretroviral therapy. Current tests for AKI diagnose only after significant kidney damage has already occurred and lacks the specificity and sensitivity needed for early detection. So we saw an opportunity to utilize the cutting-edge technology and skills available to us to help address a disease problem that affects our society. Through our clinical partners, we have obtained urine samples from patients undergoing antiretroviral therapy, some of whom present with AKI and some who display normal kidney function. Thereafter, we designed suitable experiments and performed mass spec-based proteomics analysis on those samples. With the data, we then confirmed a panel of proteins that act as a sensitive and specific marker for AKI. We also looked at adapting the mass spec-based assay to a format that is more suitable for routine application in the clinic. A point-of-care test lends itself well to our local setting, where clinicians require rapid diagnostic testing. So we selected suitable protein biomarkers for lateral flow immunoassay development, for which we have in-house capability. We are currently at the development stage of the diagnostic test and will soon have a multiplex prototype lateral flow for AKI and potentially other kidney diseases.
Customers include private and public sector routine testing laboratories, as well as government, donor agencies, and philanthropic organizations that support HIV/AIDS treatment in several developing countries.